Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a circle video to your content just like this one. Hey, they get the idea. Can we just get on with it please? Like, okay. Now? He's so demanding. I've got my main footage here on the timeline. Then you want to add the bit with the person talking, drag that on the layer above. And you could auto sync the audio if you've got like game footage or something like that. What we're going to do now is go to Effects, do a search for DVE. Drag this onto the video layer, and we see now it's put it in a square box. Open up all the panels, and that way you've got access to all your options. We can adjust the position by moving the X and Y, so I want this to go down in the bottom right hand corner, so I'm going to do that. Then I'm going to add a bit of crop on it, and then crop the height, and then we're going to adjust the corner radius. So it goes all the way to 1, and then all we're going to do next is just adjust the crop width until it forms a circle. Then you can play around with the position a little bit. So I want this to go over here. But you see the problem we got now is the image isn't in the center. This is an easy fix. What we're going to do is click on the transform tool, and you should see the whole window selected. And now what we do is move the mouse across to get the person in the center. And then I could go ahead and do a quick color grade on this because it's on D-Log. Do my color correction so it's looking a lot better. Go back to my edit page and it's pretty much looking good. You can also adjust things like the border color. Go into the border, click on it, choose a color, press OK. So you can fine tune most of the elements. Pretty straightforward and no fusion. So you've got another clip that looks very similar and we want to add this effect to that clip. Select the clip, press Command C or Control C on the PC, click on the clip and then press Alt and V. Then you want to select all video attributes, press apply, and now that effect will be applied to your other clip. And the only thing I need to do is apply a color grade, click on the clip, and then I'm just going to add it into the group that I created. Boom, and our colors are sorted. One last little tip, if you want to flip the video around so it's facing the other way, is go to the video and then we can go to transform and you can flip and it changes direction, and then if you need to reposition it, click on this and you can reposition the video so you could have this on the other side. Go to our effects and then I can adjust the position and move Mr. Potato Head to the left. One thing I forgot to mention, if you want to adjust the size, all you need to do is play around with the Z position and that will make it bigger or smaller. So moving it to the right makes it smaller and to the left is bigger. Happy days. And that's how you do circles. Well guys, if you found this really helpful, leave a comment below and let me know how you get on. Don't forget you can get a free project file and free title pack from DaVinci and remember to hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and if you didn't like it, hit the dislike twice, and thanks for watching.